girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easy, baby. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause
Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World. I just want to mention to you guys, I'm not going to be doing 2 videos a week. I'm going to start doing 1. Every Tuesday I'm going to have a video out for you all, just because I'm working on reopening my Etsy shop. And so that's the reason why I'm going to be doing 1 video a week, so I can be able to focus on that. Enough of me, let me go ahead and get into the tutorial. Today I'm going to bring you a DIY vanity makeup organizer, or just a makeup organizer. These are the items you're going to need, and a lot of it, once again, from Dollar Tree. I'm trying to do a project that is affordable. Anything else besides what I didn't get from Dollar Tree, I will put it in the description box below. So you're going to need a 5x7 picture frame and one of these wooden beads, a small purchase of the wall shelf, just 1 order of that, 4 of these bigger shelves. You need 4 of them. You can also need sticks. Now, you can get some from Dollar Tree, and that works. But I purchased this one from Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna use the Hobby Lobby bigger size stick. These are thicker. So you're gonna need about 4 of these Dollar Tree crates. This size here, 4 of them. I went ahead and paint mine. I'm gonna need another. See, these are different sizes. And this one has a handle. You need about 6 purchase of these Dollar Tree. These ones that has the handle, you're gonna need 6 of them, and 4 of these regular ones. These ones doesn't have the handle. You're gonna need your glue gun. We're going to need adhesive mirror wall sticker, and you can purchase this from Amazon, and I will put the link in the description box below for you guys to purchase. That's it so far. I started off this angle here, and then I switched the camera around. So let's go ahead and get into our tutorial. Okay, I already went ahead and paint my wood. So the first thing, you're gonna take one of the big ones, and we're gonna lay it like that, and lay another one on top for each other. And so for this one here, that's we're gonna face on top, we're gonna measure it, and it's gonna measure 2 1/4 of an inch. You're gonna measure that out, and then you're gonna put a line right there. Once again, it's a guideline. It just helps us position it in place. You're gonna glue it like so. So let's go ahead and glue that. Once you get that done, I'm just gonna flip this up so you guys can see exactly where I'm gonna place this other piece of wood. So you're gonna get your smaller shelf, and you are going to center this, mark right there. And the same thing with this, you're gonna find the center and mark it, because we're gonna be placing it down. Make sure both of the lines match up. You're gonna glue that in place like that. Now I should have like that. Let's go ahead and get our 2 crates. Not this one, but this one. Let's get these 2 here. And we're gonna put it right here. And then we're gonna elevate. Make sure this is elevated a little up. And this is gonna be sitting at the edge here. And we wanna be able to glue that down here as well. Both of them. Like that. We're gonna glue at the bottom here. And then we're gonna glue at the side. And so we can let it sit there, and then we can mark it right here. So let's go ahead and mark it. Make sure it's even out. If it's hanging down like this, make sure you push it up so everything can sit properly. So let's go ahead and mark that spot. And I'm gonna put another mark right at the bottom. And then it helps me. I'm gonna put my glue right there. And then you do the same thing for the other side. So far, it should look like this. The next step, we're going to be taking one of our crates, and we are going to be tearing this apart. So I'm going to be taking this piece right here. We're going to use this, and we're going to cut that in half. And this is what this is. This is cut in half of that, and we're going to be using half of that. So I'm going to have a video to show you what I did. Demonstrated how I broke it apart, and then I probably don't have to show you, but I just wanted to give you step-by-step instructions on this. So I'm going to show you a video. I'm going to put it up. That's what you're going to need next. So you take those and we're going to be putting those at the side here. At these two sides like that. Because we want it to match up with this. Because this have a big old gap in here and I don't like that gap. So I'm going to fill that in. And we can glue it to this, the other one right here. And that's what we're going to do for both of those. So let's go ahead and do that now. And I'm going to just mark. And do the same thing for the other side. Make sure it lines up with this right here. This one, make sure it lines up with this. I'm gonna be laying our bigger shelf on top of here. And it's gonna look like that. Remember, this is a good time for me to rotate the camera, and so we can finish up the project. Okay. Y'all, this is better position, better view. So let's continue. We're gonna take another one of a bigger shelf and we're gonna be laid on there. We're gonna glue that down in place. Okay. We're gonna be gluing all here, here, all over here, here, and then we're gonna glue this back piece as well. Okay, and then we're gonna put that down. Gonna get our other board and we're gonna be mounting it up and let it sit like this. Pull that down in place. And I did put a line 1 inch from the top, draw a line straight across because we're gonna be laying our mirror on top of here. So I wanna make sure that we had some space. Go ahead and get our other crate, putting it right here. So that's where you're gonna glue it down. Glue the bottom and then the back. Let's put our other crate to the side here. This right here, that, the bottom there. And then this one here, one of these apart, just rip it apart and then use the back of it to cover one of these like that. That's going to be our box and that's what we're going to be using. We're going to put this right here and then we're going to put this right here. Let's go ahead and glue this down first. This one here at the bottom to sit on top of there and we glue it there, right here to this and to the back. And then we do the same thing, the top one as well. We glue it all the way in the back, let it sit. And then we glue it down to the back and then to this as well. Now it should look like that. Beautiful. Guys, we can stop there if you want and just leave it like that. I forgot to do, guys, and please just remember to do that. In this one here, there's a hole at the bottom of this. Just cover it with some wooden sticks, about 2 inch, and then cover these. This is what I'm going to be doing for this one here. I'm going to cover this right here, and I'm going to cover the other ones too. And I forgot to put one underneath the bottom of here, but I can still put it, actually. Yeah, I could still get it in there. Yeah, so go ahead and cover that. And then we're going to be taking some craft sticks and then I paint these and then I'm going to be covering these holes like that. Cover this one here and then this one too. So cover those holes. I fill all the gaps in. There's no need to fill these ones because this is where these two here is going to be going into these right here. I'm going to put some knobs on these. Probably don't need it on this, but I think I'll put it on here just to decorate it, but it doesn't because I'm not pulling that out. But I'm going to put 2 knobs on here. And this is where our beads come in handy. I went to paint mine's gold. And also, I forgot to mention some push pins. I did purchase this from Dollar Tree. And with those holes, I'm going to cover hole up, put it on there, and that's how that's gonna look. And then we're gonna put that right in the center. Okay, put the knobs on there. And I'm gonna put another one right here. I just spray painted one. So I'm waiting for it to dry, but I'm gonna put another knob right here. And we have another crate that we're gonna be putting over here. And it's optional. If you don't want another one, if you wanna leave it like that too, it looks beautiful just like that. But we can put that right there. Or if you want, just throwing some stuff out there. There is a gap in here, which is pretty cool because you can put other things like a hidden compartment right there. You can also put it inside of here and it fits just right, and you can always glue it halfway in, not all the way, and it would look like that. But that's another option right there. You can put it like that, or you can put it that way down the bottom a little bit. Either way, it's still beautiful. I'm gonna do mine this way. So let's go ahead and glue that in place. Go ahead and put our frame up. Put it on top of the line that we drew, the 1/2 inch. Just put let's sit on top of there and just center it. Glue that area down. Trace this out. Right there. For this up, the mirror's in here. And it's covered right now with a piece of paper because the background of my craft room is not video friendly right now. I will show you guys the mirror, the whole thing, the result. But right now, we're just gonna keep it this way. So I'll go ahead and glue that in place. It looks beautiful, y'all. I love it. Any gaps that you see in those woods, let's go ahead and cover that up. That is from Dollar Tree, just caulk. I came up with another idea, which is these from Walmart. These are craft sticks. It's very flat. So I'm gonna take these, I spray painted these gold. And I figure I can put them right here. I can put some there and then put another one right here. That's what I'm gonna do for those. So if you wanna do that, do that. And I'm gonna fill those in. And then once I'm finished, I think I do wanna put something to cover here. Anything inside of it, you don't want nothing falling out. So I'm gonna use this. This was piece of the crate that we broken apart. I'm just gonna cut these out here, all 3 of these, and I'm just gonna lay these in front here and then put another one right here to the side. So that way it's a little guard. Whatever you put in here won't be falling out. You don't have to, you can leave it just the way it is like that too. Your choice. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'm gonna put these around it. And then with the beads, I think I'm gonna put some right here, kind of glue some on right here, over here, and put some over here. It's gonna be creative with it, but I'll show you once I'm finished. I'll come back and show you the rest. This is the results. And so let me go through what I did. I add the beads at the top here, and this came with the beads. I just decided to spray paint this gold and just put it up here, and then 2 down here. That was part of the bead garland, and so I put that to use. And then I add some strips here and there and the bottom here, and I think that's all I did to it. Beautiful, I love it. Add more beads at the side here. I don't have enough, I ran out. I probably will put some more at the side here, or probably at the top here too. Some strips, those top here, cut those woods and then put it right at the top here. And so yes, let me go ahead and decorate it, and then we're done. Okay everyone, here's the results. I went ahead and put on some diamonds around there just to make it stand out. And it's just from Dollar Tree, the diamond wrap. And I just decided to put it around there, and then I put strips down here, and then another one down there, and then the bottom as well. Turned out pretty great, guys. I was happy. Yep, I put all my makeup brushes in here. My lipstick over here, eyeshadow and blush. And I have some makeup powder, other stuff back there. Put some spray, Bath and Body Works I got from that, and my lotion back there, and some foundation bottom there, and makeup wipes. Then I have some mascara in here, and some more lipstick and makeup sponge. Some facial cleanse, and my rose water spray for my face, and I put my perfume right here. I mean, you can just be creative with it, guys. You can put whatever you want in here. Turned out to be awesome. I love it.